Okay, in this video we will see how to create this animation using mobile phone, that too for free, and you might have noticed that there is no watermark also. I have done this using an amazing video editing application that's available for Android, iOS and Mac for free without any watermark. It's really amazing and doing a great job. One more thing, I am not an expert video editor and I have tried my level best to create this effect. If you like this video, don't forget to change the color of the like button by clicking it, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. By the way, this is Karthi, you are watching Tech 47. Without wasting your valuable time, let's get into the video. Hey, how is this new logo and intro? Do you like it? Please share your feedback in the comment section below. If you also want to create a vector art like this, I got an amazing artist from Instagram whose name is Sohail Khan. I'll add his detail in the description below. If you are looking for a vector artist, then you can contact him. I have created that video using an application named as VN Editor. Please watch this video till the end. Then you will be able to create a video like the one you saw and impress your friends. As I said earlier, this app is available for Android, iOS and Mac for free. And as usual, I will add links to download the app in the description below. Yes, let's jump into my phone to start the tutorial. I am using the Android version of VN Video Editor, which you can download for your phone using the link available in the description below. Once you open the app, this will be the home page and here you can see the previously created projects. And if you want to create a new project, just click on plus icon. This will take you to the gallery of your phone, which will show list of videos and photos available in your phone. You can select multiple clips from this and before that you can easily play the video like this. Main requirement to create this effect is to record a video by acting that you are touching a hologram and navigating. I have recorded multiple videos and finally I got one properly. After playing the videos, select the correct file and click on the next icon to move forward. Now this will take you to the editor's timeline and you can see the clip frame by frame. By default, directed by VN will be added in all clips. You can easily delete it without any issues. First step in editing this clip is to remove unwanted parts of the video using a split tool. For this, I'll select where we have to cut using the white line and click on the split to divide one clip to two parts. And we can delete the unwanted part using the delete icon. Same way I am doing for other part of the videos also. Now our base video is ready. Second step is to add the hologram video. To add a new video in the app, click on the plus icon here and select photo or video. And this will take you to the gallery and I have screen recorded the gallery app and created a clip like this. Once you select the file, this will be added to the app. Now it's time to crop the video according to our requirement. After selecting the clip, click on crop icon which is available in bottom part of the app. This will show the crop tool and we can easily crop the clip according to our requirement. And click on tick icon to confirm. After that, we can easily resize the clip using the icon which is available here. Now we can move the clip also very easily. This looks fine for me. Now let's give some hologram effect to the clip by reducing the opacity to 65. This is fine. Now I am adding an effect to the clip that looks good. It's time to sync the clip according to the action shown in the base video. It's little tricky to do but very much easily achievable if you are moving the hologram video and cut it to required length. I am skipping this part to avoid wasting your time. Yes, now it's finished and the hologram video is synced with the base video. Now let's add a new video by clicking the plus icon. This time I am selecting the second hologram video which should play in the bottom part of the video. Here it is. Superb. Now it's also added, giving the same opacity and effects to the clip to make it more realistic. Cutting the clip once I am giving the action in the base clip like this. Now finally all clips are added and synced to the base video. Let's add some shaking effect to the clip to give more hologram effect to the clip. For that, click on the part to add the effect and select FX. Now I am using expand effect to give the starting effect to the video. We can easily move the effect to the position we want like this. Now adding effect to the swipe also. This time I am using jittle effect. Looks cool. Now adding effect to this part. For this I am using shaken and moving to the end of the clip. Let's add effect to the new video also in the starting and ending position. All effects are added successfully. Without proper audio, video won't be very effective. Now it's time to add audio by clicking the plus icon available here and select the audio. We can easily trim the audio for our requirements like this. I will add the links to download the sound effects for free in the description below. You can use this for your videos also. Now we have added all audio clips and this is time to export and see the final result. For that, click on the export icon which is available on top right corner of the app and select the required resolution. You can export the video in 1080p, 2K, even 4K also. Now I am selecting 1080p and frame rate as 60 fps. This is how I created this video. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you want a full tutorial of this application, please comment down below. I will create a video soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified on next video getting uploaded to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We'll meet you all in next video. Till the time, bye from Karthi. Be safe. Enjoy your day.